Let's make a 3D product mockup in YoPrint right from a job you're already working on. Open the job from the sales order, go to Mockup Files, and click Create Mockup. The editor opens on the job's mockup workspace. Switch to the 3D tab and add a model. Choose a layout that fits the product. We'll use this mug here with the print area already set up. Open the Image tab and place the artwork onto the mug workspace. Resize it with a corner drag, then move it onto the visible print area. Center the design on the face of the mug so the preview shows the artwork clearly. If the artwork has a background, click Remove Background, then Apply. Give it a moment to process. The design stays on the mug and the extra background is cleaned away. The Models tab gives you more editable 3D options when you need a different product, angle, or print setup. Save the mug back to Mockup Creator. It appears on the 2D canvas as a 3D preview card, so you can arrange it inside the rest of the proof. Resize the card, then use the preview controls to rotate, pan, and zoom the mug. Hold on a view that shows the design clearly before you publish. When the mockup is ready, click Publish and Close. YoPrint saves it back to the job, ready to share with your customer. That's the YoPrint Mockup Creator. Try it on your next job.